Today, let's unbox and review the Machenike G5 Pro Max SE controller. It comes in two colors, white and gray. It has a 1000 Hz high polling rate and precise joystick circular calibration. Play across devices, PC, Nintendo Switch, iOS, Android, etc. Hall, linear, trigger, and joystick. Immersive gameplay with 6-axis gyroscope motion control. So when it comes to the polling rate, this is a tri-mode connectivity controller. Wired is 1000, 2.4 gigahertz is 500, and so is Bluetooth. Let's open it up, and always remember, whenever you're using a knife to cut away from your body, this is coming from someone who has chopped off the tip of their finger before and worked in a butcher shop. Man, some of those guys are missing some dogs on their hands. All right, let's see what we have inside the box. We have a user manual, a USB Type-C cord, and in here we have a charging dock. It's gray and it's very sleek. There's also rubber on the bottom so you can set it down. It won't move around too much. On the back, we have two USB ports, one USB-C port. This will act like a 2.4 gigahertz connection when you just plug it into your computer or device. We also have a little USB dongle right here. You can plug this directly into your computer to get a 2.4 gigahertz connection, or place it in the port on the back of the charging station. All right, here's the good part. Here's the controller, and it's pretty. We have a removable faceplate. The joysticks are also pretty easy to remove. On the back, we have two programmable buttons, Hall Effect magnetic joysticks. They also claim that the triggers are Hall Effect and magnetic. They're not TMR. Bumpers, a D-pad, and ABXY buttons that are not very clicky. This is how you would place the controller in the charging station. You can then plug it into your computer and it will work right away. Here's the power button. As you see, it's lighting up a little bit to tell me that it's on. There's a light down here, a light on the sides. The button is lighting up too. On the back, I also noticed that we have engraved plastic grips. Hey, look, it comes with stickers. Instead of using it with my PC, I'm going to pair it with my Android device, and to do that, we would move the button all the way to the left. We have mobile, Nintendo Switch, PC, and 2.4 gigahertz. I should also mention that you can use this as a wired controller. Just plug it in like this. All right, let's press and hold the home button for about 3 seconds. This light is rapidly blinking. Let's open up our Bluetooth settings on our phone, and here it is, Xbox wireless controller. Would you like to pair? Yes, I would. This is a very comfortable controller to hold. It feels nice in the hands, and I do like it a lot. It's also working quite well. I'm playing Survivor.io. We can spin around in a circle. We can choose a skill like the drone by pressing a button. Here it is next to a $150 controller in my right hand, and visually there's not much of a difference. Let's go to 2.4 gigahertz. Here we are in Ghost Recon, and everything is running smoothly. We are using a 2.4 gigahertz connection by placing the USB dongle on the back of the stand here and plugging this directly into my PC. Show yourself. There he is. Got him in the back. Oh, that's my own teammate there. So one thing you can do with this game is slowly hold down the trigger buttons to essentially breathe slower, slow down your breathing so you can snipe better, get more damage from your sniper rifle. And that's what we did right there. It's pretty hard to do on some controllers, but it's working quite easily here. I might make this my permanent controller. So yeah, overall, I would say that this is a great controller. It feels great in the hands. You can use it with a phone, Nintendo Switch, PC, 2.4 gigahertz connection. You can also attach it to a wire like this right here if you want to. This will give it a 1000 Hertz polling rate. In addition, it comes with a nifty stand that will charge it. If you want to check out this controller for yourself, I will leave a link to it in the description. Go and get it.